I'm just gonna clear this a little bit. All I need to do right now is to open this up real quick. So I'm gonna take that. There's a lot of muck around here. Let's see. So basically, I've just got some bricks to try and all that bit together so that it's not dropping, and then you give me a bit of more room to be able to see what's going on down there. I think I'm gonna get another brick. So I'm just gonna be using this tool over here. It's called a drain unblocker, I believe. You can get it from places like Screwfix, Tool Station, and all that. Just so I can run it down. I'm not exactly sure where the sewage goes, so because it's literally blocked and I can't see anything down there. So I'm just gonna quickly put that in and try to find where. This bit, and because to see what's going on down there, and I can start to clear it out a little bit. So it wasn't that difficult. I'm just going to take the camera so that you can see it up close a little bit. So right here, this is what's blocking it. It's a lot of rubbish, really. That's it. So I'm just all I'm going to do right now is to just clear it out a little bit, and that's it done, really. As you can see from previous clip, I didn't end up using the drain unblocker, only because as soon as I dipped my hands down the drain, I found that there was a sieve covering the where the water goes. I just pulled that out. As soon as I pulled that out, the water started to flow. It was all covered in muck, so I just cleaned that out and just jet washed the whole place and replaced back the sieve, basically. I'm just gonna quickly jet wash this place down. I'm using the karcher, the professional one, to just kind of clear the murk around here over. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I'll find the actual model of this one. However, this is the professional one, so it's got a 110 plug rather than the normal house plug, which is the other 240 plug that you're used to. But you can also get this in both the 110 volt plugs as well as the normal outdoor plugs, but they're really very good. I'm just going to use this. This is what was blocking everywhere, really. I'm just going to jet wash it down. Just using the jet washer to clear a bit of the surrounding areas. That's all I was doing here.